Welcome to this tutorial on analysis of grid floor systems, practical number 9. To make a structure, go to structure wizard command, click on file and click on select units. Change the units to SI metric and click on OK. Now go to model type and choose frame models. Double click on bay frames. Enter the length as 15 meter, height as 9 meter and width as 15 meter. Number of bays along length as 3, number of bays along height as 3 and number of bays along width as 3. Click on apply. This is what the structure will look like. Click on transfer model and click on yes. Press on OK to place the model at origin, that is 0, 0, 0. Now go to view, click on front view and select the members on the first floor. Click on selected objects and change it to isometric view. Select rectangular section. Now go to top view. Select a node by using node cursor. Right click on the screen and click on copy. Then right click again to make place node. Now enter the coordinate of x as 2.5 meters. This will create a copy of this node at 2.5 meters. Now select 3 nodes and again click on copy and then place nodes. Enter the z dimension as 2.5 meter. Similarly perform it for the central node. This is what the nodes will look like. Now go to geometry and click on add plate. Add a plate between 4 nodes. Go to select and choose place cursor and choose the plate. Now go to geometry and apply transitional repeat in x-axis. Change the spacing to 2.5 meter and click on OK. This will create 2 plates. Now similarly do it for z-axis and spacing as 2.5 meter, number of steps as 1 and click on OK. With this 4 plates would be created. Now go to view command and click on display whole structure. Select the plates and now again do transitional repeat in x-axis. Choose spacing as 5 meter. Select the plates and now apply transitional repeat in z-axis with number of steps as 2 and spacing as 5 meter. With this, plates would be created on one floor. Similarly, do it for y direction and choose number of steps as 2 and spacing as 3 meter. This will create plates on all floors. Now go to properties and click on define. Go to rectangular property and choose section of column, that is 0.305 into 0.305. Click on add. Now make a second property with ZD or width as 0.229 for beam and click on add. Click on reference one material and click on parallel to Y. This will select the columns and click on Assign to Selected Beams. With this, section property has been assigned to columns. Now select parallel to X and parallel to Z. Click on Assign. This will assign the properties to the beams. Now click on Plate Cursor and select all the plates. Click on Thickness and add thickness of 0.152. Click on Assign. This will assign thickness to the plates. To make it clear, click on Labels and click on None. This will hide the labels of plates. Now go to Support. Change the view to front view. Select the bottommost nodes and create a support, that is fixed support. Click on Add. Select the support and click on Assign to Selected Nodes. This will assign supports at the bottommost points or nodes of the structure. Now go to Loading. Click on Load Case Details. Click on Add. Choose loading type as dead and make a title DL, that is dead load, and click on Add. Similarly, choose loading type as live and choose title as LL and click on Add. Click on dead load DL and click on Add. This will showcase load items. For self-weight load, choose direction as Y and factor as -1. Click on Add. Select the self-weight and click on Assign to View. Now go to live load LL and click on Add. Under live load, click on flow load and enter the value of pressure as -3 kN per meter square in global Y direction. And now ranges for Y, X and Z has to be defined. The range of a structure is from 0 to 9 meters for Y, 0 to 15 meters for X and 0 to 15 meters for Z. Click on Add. As you can see, load has been added to some of the plates. Now change its dimensions. Click on Modify, click on Close. Now as you can see, load has been applied to all the plates. Now go to combination load case. Make a load case with factor of 1.5 times dead load and 1.5 times live load. Click on Add. This will create a load case with factor of safety as 1.5. Now go to Analysis. Click on Analysis command and choose Print option as All and click on Add. Run the analysis and click on Save. As zero error has been found, go to post-processing mode. This will showcase displacements, reactions, beam results, plate results, etc. Here the summary of displacements has been shown, that is maximum in X, minimum in X, maximum in Y, minimum in Y, maximum in Z and minimum in Z. These are the reactions in F, Y and Z axis. To get output, go to Reports and click on Setup Report. Go to Output and select No Displacement Summary and choose Reaction Summary. Click on OK. This will showcase the displacements and reaction summary, that is maximum in x, y and z axis. Thank you for watching.